All right, here we go. Starting on C. 1, 2, ready, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I was born in East Virginia, North Carolina. I did go. There I met a fair young maiden whose name and age I did not know, and her hair was dark of color, and her cheeks were ruby red. On her breast she wore white lilies, where I did long to lay my head. Mama said we'd never marry. Papa said it'll never do. But if you could learn to love me, I would run away with you. Ooh, last verse. I was born in East Virginia, North Carolina is my home. There I met a fair young maiden whom I now can call my own. And on C. Beautiful. Feel free to come back to this video anytime to practice. It's a beautiful one.